Hi, friends. Dr. Joe here. I hope you all are doing great and welcome to this video. So, what do you think? What is intimacy? Intimacy is not knowing many, but just a little bit about it. Intimacy is knowing what, but you should know everything in detail, in depth. You should cover everything fully. That is intimacy. Like in a relationship, you need to have complete knowledge about your partner. That's when the relationship will be successful. Same is the case in trading. If you really want to be successful in trading, you need to know your financial instrument in and out, up and down. Then only you can get successful. Friends, this video is for all those traders who have been trading for a month, for a few months, for a year, for a few years, but still have not got consistently successful. Yes, this video is for all those traders who are still struggling to become successful. Take this first step, which I'm going to show in this video, and you will surely see success. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a very simple trading strategy. Just follow it and you will surely get success. Currently, you know what is the biggest problem of all traders? They love to show off. They love to show indicators. They love to show algo trading. They love to show multiple instruments like gold, commodities, Nifty, futures, options, currency, indexes, international indexes. They want to show everything. Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, Ethereum. They want to show everything. And what is happening in the process? They are not able to focus. Have you ever heard the saying that I kept averaging in one currency pair or I kept averaging in one stock and I lost all my equity? If just one equity, one stock, or one currency pair is enough to make you bankrupt, then believe me, one financial instrument, one equity, one currency pair, one Bitcoin is more than enough to make you a successful trader. Just one. But you must know that financial instrument in and out. Complete detail, in depth knowledge. You need to be committed to that financial instrument. Stop watching all other financial instruments. Select one and then make sure that you follow it to the T. Say, for example, for this video, I selected Euro USD as a currency pair. I will just not select a currency pair just like that. I know that Euro USD is highly traded globally. I know Euro USD have movement every single day. I know Euro USD have the best spreads. I know Euro USD is a liquid currency pair. I know Euro USD because I know the timings when I can trade in Euro USD. It is either the European time or the US time. I know Euro USD news, which news affects the movement of Euro USD. When I know so much about this particular financial instrument, then that is the financial instrument I will trade in. I have an intimate relationship with that one financial instrument. You have to be very close to it. Believe me, there is a lot of advantage of trading only in one financial instrument or having one single life partner, right? Intimacy in trading, what does it mean? Intimacy in trading means focus. You focus only on one financial instrument. You observe every single movement that financial instrument is making. You get familiar. Now, being familiar is being familiar with one particular time frame. Do not keep shuffling your time frames. Focus only on one time frame, like a 1 hour chart or a 4 hour chart. Just that. Get emotionally connected with that financial instrument. Whenever there is a news, try to think what kind of movement can happen in this financial instrument. Consistently follow the financial instrument. Watch it 3 times, 4 times, 5 times in a day, as if you really love that financial instrument. At the same time, understand every single news that impacts the financial instrument. Once you understand all these things about the financial instrument, That's called intimacy. You know the financial instrument in and out. Advantage number two is efficiency of timing. See, when you follow one financial instrument, you know when you want to trade. You know when is the right time to enter a trade. You know when is the right time to exit the trade. So, because of this, what happens is you have a lot of time at your disposal. This means you can focus on your health, you can focus on your food, you can focus on your family, you can focus on your meditation, you can focus in many other areas. When you're looking at multiple financial instruments, you are engaged with the charts throughout the day, which really tires you out, which makes you angry, which makes you tensed, which makes you confused. Stay away from all these, especially all those traders who are still waiting to get successful. Focus on one. Create an intimate relationship with one financial instrument. Advantage number three is precision. You know exactly when to enter. You know exactly when to exit. Because now you know that financial instrument in and out, just like you know your partner's mood. When your partner looks at you, you know whether your partner is happy, whether your partner is sad, whether your partner wants company, whether your partner wants you to leave your partner alone for some time. Just by looking, you come to understand. Same is the case when you focus on one financial instrument. Precision, perfection, that is what you start getting achieved. And advantage number four is compounding of your confidence. Because when you know your financial instrument in and out, when you see that you are making profits, when you see your journals are showing you that 70% of your trades are profitable, 75% of your trades are profitable, this creates a lot of confidence in you and you just follow it. Do not get overconfident and break your rules. Breaking rules is committing suicide in trading. So follow the rules to the T, follow one financial instrument, keep yourself relaxed. And if you see everything is right, enter. If you see even one thing is wrong, do not enter. Simple. So, what is most important is focusing on one financial instrument and be consistent with your financial instrument. Do not shuffle financial instruments. Do not shuffle timing. Do not shuffle strategy. Be loyal to all these three things: your financial instrument, the time frame, the strategy, your risk management, and you will see success will just follow you. Now, let me show you a very, very simple strategy in Euro USD because I told for this video we're going to use Euro USD. Like you can see, this is the Euro USD chart, and this is a 1 hour chart. And I have used a very, very simple moving average strategy. It's a 20 and a 50 moving average strategy. When you see it is green in color, the strategy says that you can take buy. And when you see that the cloud is red in color, the strategy says you can go for a sell. Now, like you can see, you are going to enter only in a buy position when the price breaks a resistance and comes back to test it as the first support. And when you're going for a sell, you're going to enter where the price breaks the support and comes back to test it as a fresh resistance. The strategy is very, very simple. You go for 1:2 win ratio. That means if you are risking around 10 pips, you go for 20 pips profit. Remember, you have to manage your risk. So for risk management, every single trade, you infuse maximum 0.5%. Or if you're a little bit confident, max you can go up to 2%. That's it. Because this is trading, do not take more risk. Now let us have a look that in Euro USD, in a 1 hour chart, in 2 months, how many successful trades you can get. You can see over here, first trade, positive, second trade, positive, third trade, positive, fourth trade, positive, Here you can see a good trend, but nothing as per our strategy. So we did not enter over here. We just let it go. Fifth trade, positive. Sixth trade, positive. Seventh trade, positive. Eighth trade, positive. And here you can see we have come to 1st May. That means we checked the trades for last 2 months and we can see clearly in a 1 hour chart, we got 8 positive trades. Now there might be chances you might get a few negative trades also, but that's fine. In trading, I always say if you have a 60% win ratio, you are a successful trader. Just look at this chart. 60% win ratio with a 1 is to 2 risk to reward. You are already up. If you have 70% win ratio, you are a very, very successful trader. Simple. So I hope that this video has made it extremely clear that falling in love, falling in an intimate relationship with one financial instrument, watch it, monitor it, admire it, observe it, follow it, do whatever it takes with one financial instrument and keep your rules in place. Be loyal to your strategy, be loyal to your time frame, be loyal to your financial instrument, be loyal to your risk management, and success will be loyal to you. It's as simple as that. So, as I said, getting intimate does not mean knowing somebody just like that. Getting intimate means knowing somebody in depth. And that is exactly what will make you successful in trading. Know your financial instrument in depth. So, friends, if you love the way I'm creating these videos, please like and share these videos and also comment. I love to read your comments, even if it is just one simple word. And if there is something which I should reply to, I always reply to the comments also. Friends, if you're still not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and smash that bell icon. Because every time I see a new subscriber, it motivates me to create more such videos. And friends, before I sign out, how can I forget saying this? Keep learning, keep growing, keep getting better every single day. That's all in this video, friends. Thank you. Namaskar.